My name's Samvida, and my various qualifications finished around about 5 years ago, and I've been practicing in Hastings mostly. Biodynamic craniosacral therapy, which is fabulous for humans and any other animals, and it works exactly the same way. What it does, apart from anything else, is to help to balance the autonomic nervous system. So particularly in cases of stress, incredibly quick way to relax somebody, take them into a deeply, almost like a meditative state, and rebalances the system so the digestive system will start to function better. Breathing will start to slow down, the heart rate will start to slow down, and any other small changes that the system may want to make, I'm there to facilitate those changes, but I'm not actually doing an awful lot. My hands are listening to the system and observing, and it's quite beautiful to notice the changes that then take place in whatever animal or human I'm working on. I was trained separately to treat horses in Norfolk about 4 years ago, and they are amazingly responsive. They first start to chomp away, start swallowing, they start yawning, their neck goes down a little, and before you know it they're leaning on you, and that's a really relaxing treatment for them.
What about other animals?
Well, once a week I work at Sanctuary, which is in Sidley in East Sussex, and they have all sorts of animals there. I treat goats, sheep, pigs, chickens, horses of course, and plenty of cats, and whatever they've got. Most of the animals there are quite elderly, and they may have aches and pains. I'm not going to be able to cure their arthritis or anything like that, but I can make things more comfortable for them. Also, my human clients, if they have any pets who they feel could benefit from my hands, then I don't charge. That's a voluntary service that I give, and if it's a bit further away, then my client might give me something towards the travel, but otherwise it's something that I enjoy.
So is there any difference between treating a human and treating an animal?
No, not really. Treating a baby and treating an animal is pretty much the same thing. Adults have got far more layers on the onion, as it were, stuff to get through, tissue memory, and so they respond a little bit more slowly sometimes, but essentially it's the same thing. And what I pick up in my hands will be very similar. The first response very often for a human or an animal is the tummy gurgling, and with a horse that's quite something. Often ends in all sorts.
And you're also a herbalist?
I'm a herbalist, yeah. I did a 4-year full-time degree as a medical herbalist in Middlesex University, and I use that quite often in conjunction with craniosacral therapy. People will come more often for herbal medicine treatment, and for instance they may be coming for gut-related problems, and I will feel that they would benefit from craniosacral therapy as well, because very often the nervous system is involved in problems with the digestive system, and so the two go very well together. Once we've sorted out a mixture which suits the person, they'll come for possibly a short treatment for their condition, and top up their medicines.